A backpack carrying a directed energy system capable of disabling drones sounds like technology from decades in the future. Yet that is exactly what China has just unveiled. The new portable Legion laser is attracting global attention because it represents something many engineers have pursued for years: shrinking advanced laser technology into a system small enough for a single person to deploy. In this video, we will explore what was revealed and whether this could become a turning point in the evolution of portable drone defense. The most fascinating aspect of China's new Legion system is not that it uses a laser. Laser technology has been under development for decades, and numerous countries have demonstrated directed energy platforms of various sizes. The real breakthrough lies somewhere else entirely. It lies in the challenge of making a complex laser system small enough to become portable. At the Defense Information Equipment and Technology Exhibition 2026 in Beijing, Harbin Xinguang Optic-Electronics Technology unveiled the newest members of its Legion family. What immediately stood out was their size. Unlike larger directed energy platforms that require vehicles, fixed infrastructure, or dedicated support equipment, these versions were reportedly designed for deployment by a single individual. That achievement becomes much more impressive when you understand everything hidden behind a laser beam. A laser system is not simply a device that produces light. It requires batteries, thermal management systems, sensors, optics, tracking equipment, software, and power control electronics. Each of those components consumes space and adds weight. For years, this challenge has limited portability. Engineers could create powerful beams, but carrying the supporting equipment remained difficult. According to reports released during the exhibition, the Legion 2 weighs approximately 30 kilograms, while the Legion 3 weighs around 25 kilograms. Those figures place them within the range of equipment that trained personnel can realistically transport and operate. What makes this particularly important is the engineering trade-off involved. Every kilogram removed from a system creates a new challenge. Smaller batteries often mean less operating time. Compact cooling systems must still prevent overheating. Lightweight structures must remain durable enough for real-world conditions. Achieving all of these goals simultaneously requires careful design. This is why many analysts see the announcement as more than a product unveiling. It reflects progress in miniaturization. Engineers appear to have condensed multiple advanced technologies into a package that dramatically reduces logistical requirements. The specifications associated with the portable Legion system tell a surprisingly interesting story. Instead of chasing maximum performance in every category, the designers appear to have focused on creating a balanced platform optimized for mobility and practicality. Reports linked to the unveiling suggest that the portable version operates at roughly 2 kilowatts of output power. At first glance, that number may not sound extraordinary. Larger directed energy platforms often operate at significantly higher power levels and can reach much greater distances. However, focusing only on output power misses the broader picture. The reported engagement range of approximately 500 meters suggests a very specific mission profile. Rather than serving as a large area protection platform, the portable Legion appears designed to provide local coverage around personnel, observation positions, temporary facilities, and mobile teams operating in rapidly changing environments. Another notable figure involves engagement duration. Reports indicate that the system may require around 5 seconds of continuous exposure to affect a small drone. While some observers focus on the number itself, what matters more is what it reveals about the system's precision. Perhaps the most intriguing specification concerns cooling performance. Directed energy systems generate substantial heat. If that heat is not removed efficiently, performance declines and operating cycles become limited. Reports indicate that the portable Legion may be capable of cooling itself in less than 5 seconds after use. If confirmed, this capability could become one of the system's most valuable features. Rapid cooling allows repeated operation within short intervals. That dramatically improves practicality and reduces downtime. When viewed together, the specifications reveal a clear philosophy. The goal does not appear to be creating the most powerful portable laser ever built. Instead, The objective seems to be creating a system that balances power, portability, endurance, and ease of deployment. This approach reflects a broader trend in modern technology. Increasingly, success depends not only on peak performance, but also on flexibility and usability. A device that can travel almost anywhere may offer advantages that larger platforms simply cannot match. Every breakthrough eventually faces a reality check. No matter how impressive a technology appears during demonstrations, real-world conditions often reveal challenges that specifications alone cannot capture. The portable Legion system is no exception. One of the most important factors affecting directed energy systems is the atmosphere itself. Clear air provides ideal conditions, but real environments are rarely perfect. Rain, fog, humidity, dust, and airborne particles can interfere with energy transmission. As environmental conditions become more challenging, performance can be affected. This limitation is not unique to China or the Legion family. It applies to directed energy systems developed anywhere in the world. The laws of physics remain consistent regardless of who designs the technology. Another factor involves visibility. Portable laser systems require a clear line of sight to their target. Buildings, terrain features, vegetation, and other obstacles can interrupt that connection. Maintaining continuous visibility becomes essential for effective operation. Movement introduces an additional layer of complexity. Small aerial devices are becoming increasingly agile and sophisticated. Tracking systems must maintain accuracy while compensating for changing speeds, directions, and environmental conditions. This creates a demanding task for sensors and control software. Power management also remains an important consideration. Portable platforms must balance energy output with battery capacity. Increasing power often increases weight, while reducing weight can limit operating duration. Engineers constantly navigate this relationship when designing compact systems. Another unanswered question involves operations involving multiple airborne targets. As drone technology evolves, scenarios involving several devices operating simultaneously become increasingly common. Publicly available information currently provides limited insight into how compact directed energy systems would perform under those circumstances. Independent verification represents another important piece of the puzzle. Most available information currently comes from exhibition materials and reports discussing the unveiling. Additional demonstrations and operational evaluations will provide a clearer picture of long-term capabilities. Despite these questions, one trend is becoming increasingly difficult to ignore. Portable directed energy technology is advancing rapidly. Systems are becoming lighter, more efficient, and easier to deploy. It may represent a glimpse of where an entire category of technology is heading in the years ahead. China's portable Legion laser is significant not because it delivers the highest power, but because it shows how quickly advanced technologies are becoming smaller, lighter, and easier to deploy. The system highlights major progress in miniaturization, power management, and cooling technology. While questions remain about performance in different environments and long-term operation, the overall trend is clear. Portable directed energy systems are moving closer to practical everyday use. If development continues at this pace, technologies once seen only in science fiction could become a common part of future technological solutions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, you can visit our website, SpaceEyeNews.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.